Hello everyone. This is an overview of the GRIP platform from an exhibitor perspective. GRIP was created to solve the challenges of generating meaningful connections and business opportunities during events. How do we solve this? We have built our own AI matchmaking platform that will make smart recommendations of people to meet, exhibitors to visit, and sessions to attend. Our technology will transform your virtual or in-person events into a networking success for your attendees. Our platform is also available for branding on their iOS and an Android mobile apps. Your experience with GRIP begins from your online event pro platform under the Networking tab by selecting Matchmaking. You can also access it by clicking on the network or exhibitor links. You will then be redirected to the GRIP networking section of the platform. Since I'm logged in as an exhibitor, I will be asked to select a team on my first login. We will cover this shortly. Some curated questions on your profile will be helpful to suggest meaningful matches during this event. Then you will need to consent to the data sharing policy. Once done, you can start networking. This is the homepage of your event, where you will see all networking possibilities. The first thing you should do is enhance your profile and the information here. How to do so? We recommend that you update your interest, your headline, your goals over here on the summary, the problems that you solve, any reason why you joined this event will be helpful. Your name and company information will already be imported from OEP. After doing that, this is when our matchmaking AI goes to work and will suggest better, smarter recommendations for you. Next, the best thing to do here to make the most out of your event attendance by managing your availability on this calendar. Through here, you can put when you are available or when you're busy. Everyone will be able to see that and reach out to you for the times that work for you. We also recommend that you allow all notifications from the application for a better user experience during the event. Once your profile and availability have been set up and the dashboard is live, you are able to begin networking within the platform. The navigation will be on the left side as well as on the home feed over here. There are many ways to interact and engage in the platform, such as browsing through recommended for you, interested in me, my interested list, my skip list, my connections, and of course looking into my schedule. I can also look up to see what exhibitors are also participating in the event and also query for any attendee present on the event. Smart recommendations are served to you on the recommendations area, and they will be based on the details within your profile and your activity in the platform. You will be served up to 10 recommendations at a time. You will then decide if you want to establish a connection by showing interest or skipping over a profile. The more you utilize the recommendation function, the smarter our AI learning will become and will offer you even better recommendations. It's a win-win for everybody. Interested in me. This will list the profiles of visitors who are interested in you. When someone shows interest in you, you will receive a notification on the top right corner of the navigation bar. An email will also be generating grouping 5 interested people at a time. If you reciprocate interest, the person will become your connection. You will also be able to chat with your connection and request a meeting. My interested list. This list profiles who you are interested in. If any of these profiles show mutual interest, you will become connected and they will become your connection and be moved over here. Under my skip list, you will see the list of profiles you have skipped or didn't find interesting. Skipping is anonymous. Skipping also teaches our AI learning how to better send suggestions to you. Under my connection, this is a list of everyone you have mutually connected with. You are able to chat with your connections and also view meetings and schedule meetings directly from here as well. Meetings can also be scheduled at any time with anyone. You don't have to be connected to schedule a meeting, and you don't have to reciprocate interest to connect into a meeting. So let me request a meeting right now. Out of your list of recommendations and connections, you should have a good idea of who you would like to meet based on common interests. Grip matchmaking makes it easy for you to request meetings by just a click of a button. With the information on your availability and your recipient's availability, you will be able to schedule the perfect time that works for both of you. You can also add more participants to the meeting right away. In order to increase your acceptance rate, personalize your message to the other attendees before sending it. Meeting requests are sent via email and will also display on the notification tab at the top. Meeting requests can also be accepted via email and integrated within your Outlook or Gmail or iCalendar. This is an example of meeting requests here. Under My Schedule, this is your event schedule, where you will see all the meetings you have requested, manage and join your meetings from here. The purpose is to make sure users can easily find the meetings they have scheduled. Meeting reminders will be sent out 10 minutes prior to the meeting time. The virtual meeting room will be available 5 minutes before the meeting starts. Once I click on the meeting session, it will open a private embedded meeting room directly into the platform. Let me show you. You will be able to enable your camera, your microphone, join the meeting, share your screen, chat with other participants here, and the meeting room will have a maximum capacity of 50 people at the same time. So now, there's also the possibility to meet with other exhibitors and do exhibitor-to-exhibitor networking. You can filter through the list of other exhibitors by location, by their company name, or the job titles of exhibitor reps present during this event. Every time someone shows interest into an exhibitor company, the attendee's profile will show up on the exhibitor's portal as an inbound lead under Teams over here, which we'll go over shortly. So here I'm looking at an exhibitor's page where it will regroup all the representatives present during the event, the sessions that they are participating on, and also a description of what they have to offer, and they can also add and showcase products as well on this page. I can also search through all the attendees present during the event by the same filter criterias then for the exhibitors, and also search for directly someone that I know might be present here and retrieve the profile of the attendee here. Now let's go to Teams. Now that you know the full functionality of how to use the matchmaking platform, I wanted to show you one final component that is very helpful for companies and their representatives. Teams is a collaborative event management tool for exhibitor companies. In Teams, you can receive, manage, engage with any inbound leads generated during the show. Teams is a place where you can organize who is going to manage your virtual booth. You can ensure someone is always available to engage in the company chat. You can ensure your representatives are available for meetings. You can schedule meetings on behalf of your representatives. All your inbound leads here will operate as a funnel. So once you schedule a meeting with a lead, the lead will be moved into the meeting section. Once you establish a connection with your lead, the lead will be placed into your contacts over here. The benefits here is to give you a status notes of where you are with the leads generated during the event. You will also have the ability to export your contact list in order to follow up on your external CRM or accomplish any other lead generation initiatives on your side. You will also be able to manage other team members and assign them permissions, manage their availability on their behalf, and most importantly, collaborate as a team during this event. So the powerful thing here with Grip and the AI is that the artificial intelligence will curate a list of relevant connections so you can get straight to the point and network directly with people who share similar professional interests in meeting you. You will achieve better time management efficiency by managing your calendar during the event. Grip is the gold standard of exhibitors and attendees to get the most out of a virtual event. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to demonstrate the value Grip platform can provide to your event.